Hi there, I'm back at the vet's place where we were earlier this week. I'm going to check up on Rojak. Rojak got sick last night and she was very restless, and yeah, we didn't really trust the situation. So we took her to the vet this morning, and let's see how she's doing at the moment. So we're here with Rojak now. Doc, can you explain a little bit about her situation? Why is she here?
This morning, your wife took her because she observed that Rojak is having a high fever. Then checked on her her temperature, and it's 39.8.
Oh, that's a bit high.
So I decided to check her stool, but I found it negative on bacteria, eggs of worms, and the next step that I did was to check for parvo and coronavirus. Fortunately, it's still negative.
Okay.
But then I told her we need to observe at least 3 to 5 days, and then if we need to recheck the test, we will do that.
So I can see she's on an IV drip now.
Yes, sir.
What are we giving her?
We already gave vitamins, antibiotics, because since she has a fever, it shows that she has an infection. So we need to give antibiotics, and I also gave analgesic.
Oh yeah, okay. A bit pain reliever, right?
Yes, pain reliever, anti-inflammatory, and anti-fever.
Okay, good. Rojak, baby, how are you?
Interesting yet. So that's why it gets negative.
Yeah, and that's why we have to keep an eye on her, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, baby. So Doc was saying that she's been eating reasonably well, and we're waiting for for her to poo basically tomorrow morning, right? But, yeah. Then hopefully we can see something in that. It should be normal, hopefully. And it looks like we have to keep an eye on her. Oh, my baby.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Daddy. See you tonight.
I'm only her uncle.
So
The real daddy is in already in the Netherlands. Yeah, bye-bye, baby. Take care.
you need to get better, so that could be
Yeah, baby. Keep fighting, baby, huh? We'll do what we can.